Hi, this is Saturday the 27th of February 2016. Just give you an update on Sid Narrowboat and how we're getting on with it. It's been about 4 days of sunny weather but frosty weather, so been able to work outside, but the working outside, the paint and stuff's not setting very quickly in the cold weather, but still getting on with it. So you can see that's the latest window to be put in. So I'll just go inside the narrowboat now and give you a quick tour. So just go down the steps now, and we're in the kitchen area. You can see the sides up in the kitchen area now. And you see part of the ceilings up. And just give you a quick skim round the windows. There's a window that's in. There's the heater for the shower and hot water. That's where the shower is going to go. That's the latest window which has just been put in. Go back into the kitchen area. So that's the latest update on Sid the Narrowboat. Thank you for watching, and be pleased to visit my next posting. Okay, bye.